Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo eBafana Bafana bayodlala against iMexico. Kuyimatch ezoba imnandi indlela eyisimanga ke le bafethu. Remember izodlala kusasa le match le ngo 10 o'clock ebusuku. So every South African kumele ihlale iubukele lo mdlalo lo. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction. Ungeyigxeki i-lineup prediction yami, ungitsheleke wena eyakho kuma comments. Niyazi ke bafethu njengenjayelo nje awuyigxeki yami, ungitshele nje eyakho ukuthi ke wena ngokwakhe iBafana Bafana ubungafisa iqale kanjani imatch yakusasa, because remember le match le ibaluleke kakhulu. So bekuyimatch yokuqala iBafana Bafana ever since they played against France ngo-2010 lapho kona sashaya khona iFrance. Kwakuyimatch yethu yokugcina kwi-World Cup. So sizobuya manje sizodlala against i-host nation le esadlala nayo ngosikhathi siyihostile nathi la eSouth Africa sahosta i-World Cup against yona iMexico. So it will be a big game le for iBafana Bafana. So ungitshela wena ama comments ukuthi ke iyipi i-lineup ongayiqalisa ngayo. Nayi ke yami, first and foremost ngiyalazi uDabi Palini bafethu, ngingaqalisa bani na? Ngingaqalisa uRonwen Williams. Umjida bafethu uyawazi umsebenzi akumele awenze laphana for iBafana Bafana. He is the goalkeeper, the number 1 goalkeeper of iBafana Bafana. Yes, there were talks going to World Cup regarding the number 1 position ukuthi ke who is the goalkeeper okumele I represent iBafana Bafana. But ke when you look at Ronwen Williams weBafana Bafana akafani nalo Sundowns. Maybe mhlawumbe ungasho ukuthi ke kwiSundowns kunaleyo nto leyo eyaye ibe khona edala ukuthi ke idefense Sundowns ivele nje ama defender ama players aphunywe kalula aqondana noWilliams mase yakhahlela. Kanti ke uma usubheka iBafana Bafana ikhona idefense eqinile ezokwazi ke improtect ubani na uRonwen Williams. Naye futhi umjida ugoalkeeper umnandi kakhulu, uyakwazi ke avimbe lawo mabhola lawo wabona kahle ukuthi hayi yabo la bekumele bakore. Kodwa ke ngiyamthemba umjida, when he wears that Bafana jersey he tends to show up. So umjida I trust him as the number. Masukuthi ke kuma center back position I will trust Mbokazi with uSibisi. I know some people will come and attack me, say Vane, why are you choosing Mbokazi benosibisi? Guys, the reason why I'm choosing Mbokazi benosibisi is because most of the defenders is now currently Mbokazi and Sibisi are the only defenders that have a chemistry, that have played together countless times. When Mbokazi played with the Uban now Usibisi last season, Usibisi received a defender of the season when he was playing with Ubanina Mbokazi. So I trust them abajida about ukuthi ke bazokwazi ke baqhubeke naleyo chemistry leyo, bayakwazi ukunderstandana, i-defender edlala ka left, i-defender edlala ka right. Umjida ucomfortable ukuthi ibhola uSibisi na usigugula uzoxosha wonke umhlola ozofika ekhaya. So I trust them as ama defenders. The only thing that engikhala ngayo kakhulu i-height kobona baba2. Mhlambe ke uHugo Bros uzobheka i-height mase yazama ukuthi ke ashintshe aqalise ngenye indlela kule center back. But ke if it was me I would start uSibisi with Mbokazi. You can tell me which are the defenders you would start. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs I feel like it's self explanatory bafethu. Kuma wing backs uModiba ngizwile ukuthi umjida ke ngenzeka abuye, so ngamqalisa yena as left wing back akwazi ke a provide leyo depth lapha emuva, akwazi ke a provide leyo nto eyakwazi ukuthi futhi akhuphuke aye phezulu edema numbers aphinda abuya zo defender. So angifuna akhuphuke kakhulu ke this time, kumele nje akwazi ukuthi okay mengikhuphuka ubani ngizomshiya emuva. You cannot rely on Mbokazi kakhulu because the team esiyodlala nayo I'm sure iyenzile i-case study yayo kakhulu kuMbokazi, yabheka ukuthi uMbokazi umdlalo kanjani, umdlalo kwamdefeater kanjani. So mina ngokwami I would trust ubani na uModiba ukuthi ke akakhuphuka kakhulu, same as ka right bafethu uMdawu, Daniel Mdawu umjida ngamqalisa as a right wing back. I don't have to say a lot about uMdawu. I feel like bafethu niyamazi uMdawu, uyawazi umsebenzi akumele wenze against iMexico. Yabo akumele nje abe fancy, uyawazi umsebenzi kumele avale lapho nalapho. Kulabadlali nje kumele sibavale lapha and iVorvayi ke bafethu akekho umdlali mina sengambona, noma kuthiwa ungangibizela uMessi uRonaldo ungibekela, I don't think ukhona umdlali oyokadlule lapha yabo kuDaniel Mdawu. So ke siboneke kule game esiyidlala ukuthi ke ingabe iMexico iready ukuthi ke idlale against uMdawu. Yabo ngimthemba nje ngaleyo ndlela, yabona ngibale abadlali abaphezulu kakhulu because I know there is no player currently okhona mina ngimaginayo sengadlula mhlambe kuMdawu. Mhlambe ke ungasho ukuthi yabo ungasho ukuthi mhlambe Olise okuvara but nabo ayangibaboni bayodlula lapha kumdawu hawu mase kuthi number 6 I will start with Utebogo Mokoena as the number 6 of iBafana Bafana uyena Mjida engimthembayo ukuthi ke angakwazi ke ayidlale kahle leya position leya a provide stability kulesa sisu sethu because mase nje ubheke nje ku squad seBafana Bafana esikhona is one of the players esithembele kubona yabo mase ubheke nje ku Ronan Williams umdawu mase kubombokazi mase kuMokoena and another player is Osuna Police those are the players that we are relying on kule Bafana tournament ukuthi ke bakwazi ke ba remain fit because we will need them ibona abazokwazi ke baswinise kule tournament so yena Mjida uzo provide stability lapha eswini output him as a number 6 mase ukuthi ke abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa banenanga ngaqalisa uJaden Adams as a number 8 mase ngiqalisa ubani na Mfokeng as a number 10. I know many people will say Mfokeng is not ready for the spotlight right now, but I don't think there is a better time than this. I don't think there is a better time than this because if you are not starting him in these games, where are you going to start? When are you going to start Mfokeng? Mfokeng is more than ready to start this game because if you can check team esiyodlala now, they are playing with youngsters. They have more youngsters than iBafana Bafana. Yabo, I think there's a teenager also bedlala against iBafana Bafana. So imagine a team edlala nathi izodlala isi teenager thina. We are opting not to play our youngster Mfokeng, who is not even a teenager right now. Mfokeng Mjida, he has started many games with Betso Premiership so far and he is ready to play for iBafana Bafana and he's ready to start this game. So mina ngokwami I'll start Relebohile Mfokeng against Mexico. You can tell me in the comments ukuthi ke ungaqalisa but ke mina ngokwami so far this is my lineup and ke aba attackers ngizoqala ngawo ka left winger ngaqalisa banenanga ngaqalisa uOswin Police as the left winger iBafana Bafana uyawazi umsebenzi. Is another player who knows what to do for iBafana Bafana yabo mase ukuthi ke lapha ka right ngiyaqalisa banenanga ngingaqalisa uSibelebele. I know there will be some talks people saying hawuvane but wena uSibelebele wathi angadlali kanje. Yes, I'm not a big fan of uSibelebele playing as a right winger but this is a big but. When you see Umdawu is not a player ongarely kena akhulume phambili. Umdawu uyakwazi ukukhuphuka but into esha Umdawu ukubuya. If you remember the game esesidlala against iCameroon, iBafana Bafana ayoconsider ama goals amaningi eqhamuka kwiside laMdawu. Why? Umdawu uyakhuphuka ayephezulu. Mekhuphuka Umdawu ayephezulu, le space lesi sinosibisi siba empty, so ama players akwazi ke meshaya counter run through that space yamdawu mase shaya cross yabo. So having uSibelebele there up top will pressure Umdawu ukuthi ke angakhuphuka kakhulu, noma ke Umdawu mekhuphuka uzokwazi uSibelebele abuye azocover ispace sakhe Umdawu. I hope that makes sense yabo. uSibelebele uyakwazi ukudlala as a right winger, uyakwazi ukuprovide ama crosses, uyakwazi ukhushizela lapha phezulu. So we need a player like ubani na uSibelebele noma as defender, he can drop in deep and save the team in defending yabo. Maybe nizo understand kanjalo ngingazi but ke striker sami ngaqalisa uIkram Reyners. Angifuni ukuyichaza kakhulu. This is the lineup mina ke engayiqala for iBafana Bafana. Ikram Reyners will be my striker. So ungangitshela wona ama comments ithini lineup prediction yakho ingabe yami njani? Do you think so uthola 3 points ngale lineup le?